Alright, getting ready to take this thing to headquarters so I can finish it off there, wash it and everything. Yeah, transmission worked out, carburetor and fuel system's clean, so it starts, runs decent. Still need to change the oil. Valves may need to be slightly adjusted. Battery, I have one from another machine I can use temporarily. This deck, it's actually in pretty decent shape. Needs a little bit of touching up, but not bad. Yeah, the black ones are easy to redo because it's black is the easiest ones. It's not like that yellow, that John Deere yellow, and some of those other color ones. The black ones are easy. Might need a deck belt. I don't remember if it came with one. If it did, it might have been all shot. I grabbed a couple that I had. One of them might be it. If not, I might need to get a deck belt. But after that, mainly it just needs a good washing, and then it's ready to go. This thing, this deck height adjuster, it's kind of messed up. So I had a couple other ones, so I can just swap this out if I have to. It may be fixable, but it looks like it's bent there, so either way, this one have to probably come off and be fixed up. But this, the way it's not hitting, it's not grabbing the sixth without me turning this, and this, the button to let go of it's all sloppy and it's not screwing back in, so something's kind of screwy with that, but I have that. All right, so let me just start it, get it loaded up, and be on my way. Okay. Yeah, it runs decent. It's just low idle. That could be the carburetor still. Or just valves need slight adjusting. But otherwise, up high, it runs fine. I tried adjusting it. I could raise it a little bit where it doesn't do that. Like right about there. And I could probably set it to there, and that'd be fine too. That one tire loses air, probably needs a little bit of slime. But once this is cleaned up, it's actually going to look real nice. Now, it didn't look real great when I first got it, but it still don't look great right now. But black always comes out good. Red too. Alright. Let's get it loaded up. Alright, I'm gonna get the deck in there, a couple other things, head out of here. So, but yeah, it wasn't bad. I mean, yeah, just swap out that transmission and do a fuel system clean. That was the two main things. Probably go ahead and change that oil. Air filter's still good. Spark plug should be fine. Like I said, the valves may need slight adjusting. Or the carburetor might need to be gone through slightly again. I don't know. I mean, it's pretty cool. All the jets were clean. But the needle, oh yeah, it reminds me. The needle, the rubber tip on the needle was a little bit distorted. So it was, when I first put it back on, it was flooding. So I had a shut off. But then after I drove it around, it cured itself, which that often does happen. So if it's running funny and it's not the carb, the only other thing to do is adjust those valves. They may not be opening and closing all the way anymore, which would cause that kind of a backfiring sort of sputter. But at high speed, it's fine. Yeah, I mean, because at high speed, there's still the amount of adjustment they need, where it's at high speed, full combustion, they're still opening and closing just enough to where you're not getting that. Low speed, it's probably allowing it to happen. So, but yeah, it's should be done by tomorrow. See, I might put a bag on it, might not. I might be able to get away with this one without a bag. I have another Craftsman that'll come after this. That one I'm gonna probably sell it a bag for the fall. So, yeah, not bad. All right, later.